Google has officially introduced the Pixel 10, its smartest and most powerful phone yet. But this year, it's not just about the phone. The Pixel 10 is built for speed, intelligence, and personalization. Powered by the latest Google Tensor chip, it delivers faster performance, advanced AI features, and improved battery life. With upgraded camera sensors and real-time photo editing powered by AI, every shot looks professional. The device also includes enhanced voice recognition, better on-device language processing, and deeper integration with Google services, making it one of the most intuitive smartphones available. Alongside the Pixel 10, Google is launching a full ecosystem of devices built to work perfectly together. First, we have the updated Pixel Buds, now featuring improved sound quality, noise cancellation, and real-time translation powered by AI. Next is the Pixel Watch 3, offering better health tracking, longer battery life, and deeper integration with your phone, giving you instant access to messages, maps, and more right on your wrist. And for those who care about charging and display, the new Pixel Stand allows fast wireless charging while turning your phone into a smart home hub with glanceable info and assistant features.